Welcome to MB at Home, and today is launch day. Actually, tomorrow's launch day. But I wanted to share 3 of my favorite things from our launch that's happening tomorrow. So if you're interested in a video like that, stick around. So hey guys, happy fall. So I'm really excited for MB at Home, where we're creating nourishing and sacred spaces. My name is Amber Turner, and I am the designer of MB at Home. And I share how to style and decorate your home so it feels nourishing and sacred. And so tomorrow we have our first launch of MB at Home, and I'm really, really excited. So often with launches, I do a preview of all the things that are going to be on our launch. But this time, I wanted to share 3 of my most favorite things that will be in our launch. So let's just get into it. So like I said, oftentimes I do a preview for all of our launches, and MB at Home is a different spin on our previous launches. So today I wanted to share 3 of my most favorite things that are going to be in our launch that's happening tomorrow. So we have a plethora of things that will be dropping in our launch, and we have pillows, we have throws and wall art, candles, serving trays, all sorts of things, kitchen, napkins, tablescape things, all the things. So with this launch, I like to say that it's this very cottage core inspired, very soft and feminine, very nourishing, delicate. Those are things that I would describe for this launch, which I feel like it's just different. It's different. It's not something that you've ever seen before. So for the first thing that I want to share, that's one of my favorite and the top 3 for our launch tomorrow is this strawberry shortcake candle. So this will be a limited edition candle. And so it's in this beautiful soft frosted vessel with the wood top as well. And what makes this candle so special, besides it smells delicious and like a treat, is the pink wick. So I just believe that this is so special. I love pink, and it smells divine and heavenly. I love when my home smells like a treat. And so, yeah, this is one of my favorite things that will be dropping in our launch. And so for fall, we are really stepping into the cozy vibes. I love to be cozy, and it starts to get a little bit chilly. And so one of my favorite things are blankets. And so I wanted to share one of my favorite blankets and throws that will be in the launch tomorrow. We have a few throws that really is, like I said, in line with the more feminine, soft, delicate theme. And so with this line, it's very thoughtful, it's very cohesive. It really gives this really cottage, cozy vibes. So the second thing I want to share is actually our Sherpa blanket. And so it is this, and so it's this here. And as you can see, it's quite large, quite cozy. It has the Sherpa lining in the inside. And I just love the colors. So oftentimes, even with fall, we often stick with the oranges and, the browns. But who's to say that we can't just keep it feminine and light and delicate and romantic? And so one of the things that I really love about this, it's super romantic, I feel. I love the flowers. It just makes me feel so happy. And so this is just perfect for fall, cozying up by the fire or on the couch when the nights get a bit chilly. Okay, so for the last thing that I want to share in this video for our launch happening September 21st is a piece of wall art. And this one makes me feel so happy because I love flowers. I feel like they're so delicate and romantic, and they offer such a beautiful aesthetic to any room. So the next thing I want to share is actually this piece of wall art here. It is a canvas Can you see it? It is a canvas all wall art that I just love. The soft colors are just perfect. These colors, like this soft purple with the flowers, act as a great neutral. So it can actually go into any room, like almost any wall color, any room, because because it's such a soft color and the white of the flowers, it acts as a neutral. So it's perfect for any office, room, anything like that. So yeah, so I really wanted to share some of our upcoming things that will be coming in our launch. We have a lot of things, so definitely check out the website. Um, I love a great tablescape, especially for fall, and we have incredible things, especially for tablescapes. So definitely check out our launch. Anyways, you guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm looking forward to the launch. And I had such a blast actually designing and creating and curating these things for this launch. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyways, I will check you guys in the next video, and I would love to know your thoughts. So comment below which one was your favorite. And if you know, because you've been following me on Instagram and I've been giving sneak peeks, what is your favorite thing that you're looking forward to in this drop? Anyways, you guys, I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.